How to add a token to favorites on Bitget Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're new in Bitget Wallet and trying to add tokens to your favorites, then it is super easy. First of all, launch open the Bitget Wallet app on your device and sign into your account. Once you're logged in from the home page of Bitget Wallet, go ahead and tap on Markets from the bottom list. Now, go to the Favorites tab from the top left and you'll be able to see your favorite list on the page. If you want to add tokens to favorite list, go ahead and choose any tokens that you want to add to the favorite list and click it open. And now from this chart page, go to the upper right corner and tap on the star icon. Once you tap the star icon, you'll be able to add the token as your favorite. Repeat this step for every other token you want to add to your favorite list, and then go back to your favorite list and you'll see the new token added. So that's how you can easily add your favorite tokens in Bitget Wallet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.